So we'll say good night to everybody all over the country from Radio NCBM.
Lovely, that's a wrap. Okay, everybody, that was wonderful. Now, I want you all to be here tomorrow at the same time because we've got a really, really heavy schedule. So nobody let me down. Okay, thank you very much.
Hello, George.
Oh, hello.
I've just found this new radio play we could broadcast. How would you like to direct it?
Well, show me the script. Let me have a look at it. This looks really interesting. I tell you what, let's have a go at it tonight.
Oh, that seems to go all right, doesn't it? Another week gone by, I don't know, the flyby, don't they?
Right, now, we've got another radio play, and I'd like you to play the part of the detective. And you, Cheeky Chops, you can be the butler, okay?
Thank you.
And you can read the part of the producer. All right, so here's your script.
Thank you.
And yours.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so we'll run through it,
Yes.
and I'll see what I think.
Our story begins on a cold and windy night when a detective rides up on his horse.
Whoa!
He gets off his horse and walks slowly up the gravel path to the mansion. He knocks on the door. Then he knocks on the door again. But still no one comes. Inside, he can hear the sound of someone sawing wood. The detective finally rings the doorbell.
Who is it?
It's me, Detective Inspector Brown from the village. Open the door. I have a few questions to ask. I have here a warrant to search these premises. We have received complaints about mysterious noises coming from this house.
Search if you must, but I assure you, you'll find nothing amiss in Manor House.
So the butler closes the door, and the detective walks into the parlour with him. And outside it begins to rain. And the rain suddenly changes to hail. And then back to rain again. Suddenly the rain stops. A dog howls in the distance.
Ow! Is that a dog? I hear howling in the distance. Ow!
Ow! Then the howling stops, and the detective and the butler stop walking. They both listen and hear the faint sound of tap dancing in another room. And the tap dancing gets closer and closer.
Is that tap dancing I hear?
Yes, that is indeed tap dancing.
Just as I thought.
The tap dancing gets louder and louder. And then there is a constant moaning of mysterious dancer.
It's a ghost, and it's dancing all around us.
And then it begins to rain. And the rain changes to hail. And the dog starts howling in the background again.
I said it's a ghost.
I know.
You do?
Then the wind picks up again. And in the detective's terror,
Oh, what?
in the detective's terror, he knocks over a statue, which smashes to the ground.
Everything's gone. Deathly quiet.
You've done it. You've broken the curse of Manor House.
Who was that ghost?
That was the ghost of the 4th Duke of Bridgeford. He was doomed to tap dance for all eternity because he killed an Irish dancer. But you smashed his statue, and that must have broken the curse.
Tell me one last thing before I go. Why was he moaning?
His shoes were too tight.
Did you understand it then?
Well, yes. It was as clear as a bell. But I still have to get the radio station's stamp of approval.
Well, I'm sure it'll be a real pop hit.
It's a real scream.
If they can scrape together the money.
Well, there's no worries there. I mean, I'm sure it'll do a bomb.
There's just one problem. Who are we going to get to do the sound effects?